You've chosen to harvest corn silage. Corn silage is a high-quality feed used on many dairy farms and some beef cattle farms. Many dairy farmers depend on corn silage to provide a high-energy feed for their milk cows. In Tennessee, corn silage is usually harvested in August before the corn plant dries down. Tennessee farmers usually grow about 38,000 acres of corn silage each year, with an average yield of 19 tons per acre. Total production is about 772,000 tons. Thank you for riding along as we harvest corn silage.